Welcome to Tant Machinery. In today's video, we will introduce our mobile tower crane, a flexible and efficient lifting solution designed for modern construction projects. Unlike traditional fixed tower cranes, the mobile tower crane offers faster relocation, easier setup, and wider job site adaptability. Let's go through its structure, features, and real construction applications step by step. The mobile tower crane is designed for small to medium construction projects that require frequent site changes. It integrates lifting, traveling, and positioning functions into one compact system. This allows operators to complete lifting tasks efficiently without complex installation processes. One of the key advantages is its mobility. The crane can be easily transported between job sites, reducing downtime and improving project efficiency. It is especially suitable for projects with tight schedules and changing site conditions. Despite its compact design, the mobile tower crane maintains strong lifting capacity and stable operation. The hydraulic and structural system is designed to ensure smooth lifting performance and operational safety. Multiple safety protection systems help operators work with confidence on site. This equipment is widely used in residential construction, small infrastructure projects, and material handling tasks. It is an ideal solution for contractors who need flexibility and efficiency in daily operations. At Tant Machinery, we focus on providing practical and efficient construction equipment for global customers. If you are interested in our mobile tower crane or other construction machinery, feel free to contact us anytime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our channel for more equipment introductions and factory videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.